Hello, everyone. How's it going? Does eating eggs every day harm your health? Is that really true? For a while, eggs were the subject of some controversies and were even removed from the menu of health-conscious individuals. But is the egg really that bad? Here's the good news: it has been cleared of blame. It has transitioned from being a villain to becoming a hero. There has been a true turnaround in our understanding of the role of eggs in our diet. So, no, eating eggs every day is not harmful to your health. On the contrary, you can indeed eat them every day. Eggs are considered one of the best foods in the world due to their high nutritional value. Today, let's talk about eggs. Eggs are one of the best foods in the world. That's right, you heard correctly. Eggs are composed of proteins that are essential for our bodies. They contain vitamins, minerals, fats, including cholesterol. And here's where many people get concerned. There's an unfair reputation surrounding eggs due to cholesterol. But contrary to popular belief, cholesterol is extremely important for our bodies to maintain normal cell function, absorb vitamin D, and produce hormones. It's not cholesterol itself that's the villain, but rather excessive consumption of it. Eating eggs helps maintain good cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, and reduces bad cholesterol, LDL cholesterol. Eggs also contain a substance called lecithin that helps lower cholesterol. Therefore, within a healthy and balanced diet, it's definitely possible to consume eggs every day and enjoy their health benefits. Let's move on to the 6 benefits of eating eggs every day and how you can prepare them in a healthy and delicious way. Stick with me until the end of the video. But let's start with the first benefit: it helps maintain muscle mass. This is a tip that people who do weightlifting are familiar with. Egg whites contain leucine, an amino acid that aids in muscle maintenance. Second benefit: fights premature aging. Eggs contain nutrients with antioxidant properties, such as carotenoids, vitamin A, vitamin E, folic acid, magnesium, and selenium. These components help protect our cells from the harmful effects of free radicals and contribute to delaying premature cell aging. Eggs are also a source of vitamin D, essential for calcium absorption in bones and for strengthening the immune system. Now, let's move on to the third benefit of consuming eggs every day: it aids in weight loss. Yes, you heard right, and it's quite effective. Apart from being convenient and versatile, eggs are low in calories and contribute to a feeling of fullness. Additionally, they support muscle gain, thanks to their substantial protein and healthy fat content. Fourth benefit: it's good for the brain. Egg yolks are rich in choline, a B-complex vitamin that supports brain health and can potentially help prevent degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Choline plays a role in producing a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which is essential for various brain functions, including memory and cognitive function. Fifth benefit: your eyes will thank you too. Egg yolks are rich in vitamin A and lutein, substances that support eye health. Vitamin A is particularly vital for maintaining clear corneas, lubricating the eyes, and enhancing vision in low light conditions. Lutein, on the other hand, is present in the macula's pigmentation, the central region of the retina that helps focus light. Finally, the sixth benefit: the cost-effectiveness. We've already seen that eggs promote muscle gain, improve the immune system, aid weight loss, support eye health. But the best part is that eggs are versatile, practical, and have excellent value for money. Eggs are one of the most affordable sources of protein in the market. Plus, they're incredibly versatile in the kitchen. And now, let's move on to 2 healthy ways to prepare eggs. While eggs can be enjoyed in various forms, frying them in excessive oil isn't the healthiest option, as it can turn a nutritious food into something detrimental to your health. So, there you have it. Eggs offer numerous health benefits, as long as you don't overdo it. Balance is key. In general, eggs should be a part of most people's diets, except for those with egg allergies. If you're uncertain about how to include eggs in your diet or how to consume them, it's a good idea to consult a registered dietitian. Host, I hope you found these egg benefits and healthy preparation tips helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your egg recipes, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.